Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in religious and historical contexts, ecclesiastical. It might seem long and complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ecclesiastical. Let's break it down. First, we have e, which sounds like the short I in it. Next is cle, which rhymes with flee. Then comes z, which sounds like the letter Z. After that, we have as, which sounds like ass in classic. Then tie sounds like tea, and finally cool, which sounds like cull, rhyming with dull. Now let's put it all together. ecclesiastical. Try repeating after me. Ecclesiastical. Now a little faster. Ecclesiastical. And at full speed. Ecclesiastical. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ecclesiastical relates to the Christian church or its clergy. For example, ecclesiastical law refers to church laws and regulations. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ecclesiastical and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.